Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying. I play it back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over.
Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anita, and I like to do videos about career, lifestyle, budgeting, finances, really anything that I'm feeling. Today we're just going to be doing a work day in my life. I work as a digital organizer in Washington D.C. That kind of sounds like I'm organizing closets and stuff, but I'm not. I'm organizing people. I organize people around progressive movements in particular, basically trying to get them to take action on political issues. So that's my job. I work from my computer. I currently am working from home. And I really love my job and I'm really happy to be here. If you haven't seen some of the previous videos, I definitely would check them out. There's been a lot happening. I'm working toward a position change, waiting to hear back on that. Working on, I've requested a salary increase, still waiting on that. I've hired someone to manage and a lot of things are moving. So if you haven't caught up, definitely check out the other videos. But we're gonna start from today. I totally went off, did not think about work all weekend. So I have no idea what I'm walking into today. So the first thing I usually do on a Monday morning is check my Notion app. This is like an organizing to-do list, life app. I don't know, you can do anything on it. You can do everything on it. It's quite amazing. So I organize all my work stuff here. I'll just kind of show you a little bit about what I'm doing. So this was last week's checklist. Some of these aren't actually checklist items, they're just a place I wrote down very quickly some notes. So for today, I'm basically going to write my to-do list. I know that includes checking on phone number transfer. And so basically I just write down everything that I'm doing here. So I'm going to go through my emails, go through my Slack, and once I figure out my first tasks of the day, I'm going to throw it in here. And that's what I typically do. As you saw in the earlier clips, I woke up today, tidied in the kitchen, just had to clean up a little bit of a few things, fed my dog, and then went on a walk with him. He's my baby and I love him. And yeah, so that's where we are right now, and let's see what's next. Hey everyone, so I have done a bit of work, kind of figured out what I'm going to be up to today. So I just scheduled a call that I've been trying to schedule for forever, and everyone said that they can come, and then someone just told me that they can't come, and I'm like, anyway, so I will be working on a number of things today. I have to email back someone that I'm not giving a job to, check on email stats. I have to process an invoice for one of the apps that we use. And I have to, on that app, I have to ask about adding a new committee, which includes money and all this other stuff. We're transferring databases, so we also have to transfer a bunch of things on our website, so I'm working on that. Yeah, I'm not that motivated right now, and I'm tired, but I'm gonna take my medication and my vitamins, and then hopefully in 20 minutes, I'll be like, let's go, So we're gonna do that now. I'm just drinking my health green juice thing. It's not actually a green juice, it's a digestion helper. I don't know, my parents' doctor, or natural doctor advised my entire family to take this. My mom's been having this since I was born. Hey everyone, it's now 11:59 and I'm about to start a call, but I just wanted to check in really quickly. I've had a really productive morning. As you can tell, I'm on my medication now. I'm on. But I've set up a few texts to go out for events that are happening this week. We have a event with the IRS talking about the child tax credit, answering questions, and then we also have an event about the reconciliation budget. So that's hosted by two different people at or two different cohorts within our organization. So that's what I was setting up this morning. I have to hop on my next call, so yeah, let's go.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, how you guys doing? Oh. Hi, how you guys doing? Sorry, I was on mute. Hey Everyone, so I am back. It is now 12:47 and I got off my call. It was a very productive call. We talked a lot about our organizing campaigns. So I do most of the back end stuff, and then they actually talk to the volunteers and get them to take action. I shared a lot of really great new things that are happening that are going to make our program even stronger, so they are really excited about that. The next thing I'm working on is that since we're changing databases, we need to swap over everything that's still active on the old one to the new one. And we still have an ad running and collecting names into the old database, and I've asked people to turn it off like 3 times and it's still running, and I'm just like, we're shutting this off in like 2 days and we're gonna lose hundreds of dollars if y'all don't switch this over. So now I'm trying to work on that. Hey everyone, so it's now lunchtime. I'm just gonna have some lunch, gonna make some chicken nuggets. And then I have something I want to share about while I eat. So I'm going to go make those and then I'll be back.
Now, those were police polygraphs.
Good morning, friends. It's me, Rachel here. I'm back with another video. I just thought I would record a work day in my life. It's Monday and my meetings all start in a little bit. It's currently 9:43. I woke up about 20 minutes ago. I'm actually just gonna do my makeup really quickly because I want to just kind of get ready a little bit today. I kind of feel I want to start off the week feeling good, and I think that kind of getting ready a little bit helps me with that. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna change into like a slightly cuter lounge outfit to help me with that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and then put on some clear mascara. So today what we're doing is working with a cohort that's aligned with our organization that works on issues surrounding like being Black. And so I'm gonna go to their meeting today, and I don't know if they I asked them to add me to the schedule, and then I checked the agenda, add me to the agenda, and then I checked the agenda this morning and I'm not on it. So I'm just gonna go and then see what's up and see if I can pop in really quickly and say something. But if not, that's totally fine too. Basically what I'm doing is offering a service to them that can really help them. So we'll see what happens. And then I have a meeting with my boss, and we're gonna be discussing all kinds of things. We're gonna hopefully discuss a potential position change for me since I am taking on such a larger role, and hopefully with that will come a raise of some kind, because I do think that I should be getting paid more since I'm doing more work, and I think everyone should be getting paid for their work. Strong believer in fair pay. The good thing is that my organization strongly believes in paying people fair wages, so I believe that I will be increasing my pay. Okay, so at 12, I have a digital and relational organizing meeting. That is a meeting between me and another team that I work closely with. And yeah, so we're gonna discuss some strategy that's been happening, volunteers, stuff with our new database, just all kinds of random stuff. But yeah, so that's that. And then I have a check-in call later with a colleague, which we love.
And whatever your favorite stretch is, let's take a moment and just kind of get our body kind of stretched out a little bit. Get a little sleepy on the Zoom call. And what is right with us is health, family, personal growth, personal sanity, or just lucidity in our mind, right? And get to that place of personal center. All right, so that's how we're entering this morning. Welcome all.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to give an update from yesterday. I was very stressed out. It ended up getting worse the day, so that wasn't fun at all. But yeah, so it's the next day. I feel a little bit better. Today was actually really stressful as well. Work, something's going on at work that was super stressful. It's basically like a big war between 2 departments on one side, and it's just very uncomfortable. But yeah, it's kind of hard dealing with situations where you want to solve a problem, but someone's going to get the blame, but you don't want to blame them. You want to find a way to fix it, but you still have to protect yourself. That's basically what's happening, and it's not great. I've had 2 calls canceled today, but I have another 2 calls later about some digital stuff. I have a call with 2 people I manage, just going to discuss a few things with them and just update some stuff. I keep saying stuff, that's not interesting at all to y'all. But yeah, have that, and I'll just bring you along for that. Okay, so I just finished my last call of the day. I'm honestly feeling so much better. I don't know what it was. I think taking a bath, which I did earlier between calls, and like showering in my hair, and just, I don't know, whatever helped me a little bit. And I also ate lunch, which also helps. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop working for the day. It's only like 2 p.m., but I worked so much yesterday that definitely makes up for it. And I just think I need to detach from work for a little bit for my mental health. I have like a lot going on in my personal life. I have, a lot going on at work, and it really has stressed me out. Like, I really feel it in my body. I've been so exhausted, and I'm not someone who's easily affected by these things, so I really just need to listen to my body and relax. So I think I'm gonna go put on Love Island and play some RuneScape, and maybe if I receive a Slack or email, respond to it. But yeah, that's it for this week, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I know that these vlogs can be a little boring because I work from home and I'm not around people and stuff, but I hope that they are interesting to you in some way. Let me know if you have any suggestions for videos. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.